All right, last slide for week 12. Yay! Last slide for week 12. Just a little reminder, it is week 12, and I think I've said it already, but assignment 4 is due at 11:59 p.m. At the end of this week, on Friday at the end of this week, right, which is going to be the 27th. Make sure you get that one in. Also, the last thing we need to look at, this one is parallel lines, and I mean, you can see it because you look at it. We talked about parallel lines, but these don't look the same. And I want to pick up on that idea from before. We know that parallel lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts, and when it gets graphed, they're obviously parallel. I don't see the same slopes here, but let's rewrite them as y equals mx plus b. So to do that, let's not use blue because we already used blue here. So to do that, I have to write it as y equals, I got to bring the x in front, so it's negative x plus 3. See, it's already y equals, but really I need the x in front. The negative, the sign stays with the x when we rearrange the order, right? Because this is a plus 3 and a negative x. So when we change the order, it's still a plus 3 and a negative x. But now we have negative 1 as our slope, plus 3 as our y-intercept. If I do the same thing here, I'm going to bring the 2x over. 2y equals, I'm going to bring that over and put it right in there, negative 2x minus 4. Okay. Now I need to divide by 2. So 2y divided by 2, right, is going to be quickly, remember, just a little reminder, to get y by itself, you need to divide everything by 2, right? Don't forget that. Okay. That's y. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. We don't have to show the 1, so it's just negative x. And minus 4 divided by 2 is a minus 2. And what you notice is they're parallel lines because we end up with a slope here in front of the x of negative 1. And we end up with a slope here in front of the x, exact same thing, of negative 1. So they both have a slope of negative 1, which makes them parallel. They have different y-intercepts, one's plus 3, one's negative 2. So they're not the exact same line, but they are parallel and they have no solution. Have yourself a great rest of week 12. We will see you again for week 13. We only have week 13 and week 14 to go.